Hi, happy Sunday. I hope you guys had a great holiday weekend. Thanksgiving. I cooked. I stayed home and I watched a couple Christmas movies. And today, first I want to go over I started this daily playlist from Angela Marie 888, and these are the channels I ran so far. I started with Angela Marie 888, and Sunshine and Chaos Cooking and Budgeting, MS Mom Budgets, Hippies, Puppies, Kittens, Gemini Budgets, Odette's Budgeting Life, Let It Be Budgets, Penny Pincher Budgets I ran yesterday, and I'm currently running Brooklyn L Saves, and I run them at least 8 hours, sometimes more. Like, I think I ran Penny Pinchers like for a day and a half because I let it run overnight, and I'll probably do the same with Brooklyn L Saves because I know I think she's a newer channel. So if you need watch hours, or you want to be added to my my list to watch, leave a comment and I'll add you, because I have this side and this side. So that's that, and let me do my Happy Mail. I have one piece of Happy Mail. I ordered it from, I took it out already. It's from MS Mom Budgets, my friend Jasmine. And I opened it. I peeked. But, I saw these and, oops. And I wanted them for Christmas, for December. Let me see if I can get it open. I'm gonna cut it because I should have just left it open. So she says, this is her thank you card for supporting my business. Your order made my day. I hope this package makes yours. She left me a little note. And then this was a freebie, Nightmare Before Christmas Savings Challenge. You decide each icon amount. And then her business card. She's on YouTube, Etsy, and Ko-fi at MS Mom Budgets. And then these are what I ordered. Grinch Don't Kill My Vibe, $55. I'm so cute, even the Grinch wants to steal me. I thought this was so cute. And then Merry Grinchmas. And these are in her Etsy shop. And I'm going to be adding them probably to my A5 binder in December. Thank you, Jasmine. I just got them on Wednesday, 'cause that's when I went to town and I went to the post office. So they were there for a couple days, maybe even for a week, because I don't make it to the post office that often, usually just once a week. So today I'm going to start, I know it's the last day of November, but I'm going to start my December group plays, and I believe I have 50. And I took I took the Christmas money, and on Wednesday I went a little bit Christmas shopping, but not all of it's done. So I'm still gonna go probably next week. So I don't remember if this was a group play or if she just sent it to me, but it's from Ellie On Earth. So I'm doing it as a group play. And let's see. I'm going to start here. $2. And here. Another $2. So $4. One, two, three, 4. And then next up is Merry Christmas from Grammy's Journey, my friend Gracie. And I'm going to do 2 of them. I'm going to do this one. $5. And $3. So $8. And all of these, I think, yeah, most of these are, I think they're all in Ko-fi shops. You just have to go to their shop or their YouTube channel page, and then you can find them. 5, 6, 7, 8, and they're all freebies. $8. And then this one is Penny Pincher Budget. She's getting closer to 1K. So if you haven't subscribed to her, if you go support her, I ran her playlist, I think, for a day and a half. So I'm sure she could use more watch hours too. And I'm gonna do this one. $2. I didn't laminate this one. I should have. $2, and I'll do I'll do this one. $2 and $4. $6. Rudolph. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then next is mine. And on mine, I did 4 scratch offs and 4, either you can roll and save or you can fill in your own amounts. So I'm gonna roll first. 2. And I'll do a number, or scratch, I mean. $3. So $5. And I made some tinies too with this doggy. If you guys, it's in my Ko-fi. I put it in there on Thanksgiving. So $5. So 5. And then this is a new one. Well, they're all new, but this is Restoration by Autumn. I don't think I've ever done her group play. This is a roll and save, and I'm going to do 2. So 2. And I thought this was so cute. And 1. So 1, 2, 3. And then tell me what you want, what you really, really want, from Kimmy's Corner. I thought this was cute too. So I'm going to do 2 of them. 2. And 2. So $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this, she's new to me. Gaming Grandma Budgets. I just found her. And she could use subscribers too. She's a newer channel. And I'm gonna do 2 of them. So I'll do this one. $5. And she's also low income. So 5. And we'll do this one in the bottom. 5. Okay, I have enough. So $10. So 5 and 5, 10. And then did Angela have one? I don't know. I have to go check her Ko-fi. Let It Be Budgets. Karen, my friend Karen. December's group play. There's a fly or something. 3. 3. So 6, 5 and 1. So $6 from Let It Be Budgets. That's all the money. I'm gonna save this in case Angela has one or Jasmine, because I know I looked at Jasmine's page and I didn't see one, and I don't know if Angela has hers up. So I'm gonna save that, and if they don't have them up, then I'll just save this money for next week, because that's all the group plays. So I'm gonna go look and see if I can find them, because I know they usually do one every month. But if not, I'll see you in the next video, and I'll be back Monday or tomorrow with my mini Mondays. Hope you guys are having a great weekend.